Okay, this is the fourth time we're doing this experiment. It's a little bit dangerous, so to prevent any burning because of the iron particles falling on the table, we've lined it with aluminum foil. Be very careful with this. Sparks do fly here. We've written the equation for the reaction between iron and oxygen up here on the whiteboard, and you can see, hopefully, that it's 4Fe plus 3O2 yields 2Fe2O3. Iron combining with oxygen from the atmosphere, giving us iron oxide. What we're going to do is compare the difference in burning of tightly packed particles of steel wool with more loosely packed particles of steel wool. See if we can get it all in the picture nicely and in the best viewing position for you. Okay, what we're using is fine steel wool. You can see 4 zeros there. That's fine steel wool. If you don't have that, it's going to be harder to get any good results for this experiment. Here's what it looks like outside the package. And we've tried this before, so we pulled off a lot of steel wool. Let's light the... we'll make a little particle first. We're squeezing together tightly the fibers of the steel wool, making a little ball like that. And we're going to try putting it in the flame in a moment. I'm going to use these test tube tongs for lack of anything better. The problem is the tongs don't hold them steel wool balls so well. Alright, we'll try it like that. And we'll hold this here for 10 seconds. You could have seen a few sparks flying. That was iron actually igniting, but it doesn't get all of the iron particles. A lot of the steel wool is left unburned. Now we're going to find, we'll take some more steel wool. I'm going to roll it into a more loose ball so that it's more tightly packed and not burn our fingers if possible. I just burned my fingers, by the way. And you'll see maybe a few more particles sparking off. Okay. Be very careful with this experiment. The iron that burns is very hot. We have the loose fibers now for the third and last part of this experiment. I'm going to hold it in the flame for 10 seconds. See a lot of those iron particles sparking off. More of them are burning. The reason is there's more oxygen per fiber available. They're smaller particles relatively. Here's another view of the fine fibers in the flame. You can see them coming off there. Okay, so does steel wool burn? Excuse me, does steel burn? You just saw it burning. That's it.